Hi friends, good evening. Welcome back to our channel Sri Krishna Soft Skills. Okay, so please you watch the first time this video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe it, and do bell icon for latest updated videos. Okay, thank you, friends. So in this last video, we have discussed about the filters and slicers in practical. So then now we'll discuss about the filters and slicers in the practical way. So in the Power BI, then how it will work, like visual level filter or page level filter, all page level filter, or report level filter, and drill through how it will work, then we will discuss. And slicers, so slicers have the date slicer. So slicer is one, then it will act based on the data type, like it is a data type is a text, then it will act something drill on and list. And if the data type is number, then it will list and drop down, and then between, and then after, before, after that, before the date, before the number, like that, then it will how it will work, then we will see. Okay, so let's get into open my Power BI desktop. Okay, so already we have created the some visuals. Okay, so now we are going to the visual level filter. So where will you work the visual level filter? So as of now, then in the panel, the visualization in the field section, and then one more, this the filter is the inbuilt option. So what we have learned earlier, then filter is the inbuilt option. Okay, it's not a visualization, but it is inbuilt option. Okay, so here when you open the filter, here only the filter on this page, and like filters on all pages only enabled. So where is the visual level filter? Okay, so we do not select any visual. That is the reason only they are showing the two visuals. This is a filter level or the filter on all pages. Okay, so when you select any visual, then it will show the filter on this visual. Filter on this visual, when you select the visual only, then only it will enable the filter on this visual. So because of this is only for this particular visual. Okay, so we have explained in the earlier. So visual level filter, if you apply the filter in particular visual, is called the visual level filter. When you when you click on the visual, then only it will shows the filter on this visual. Otherwise the filter panel, we should not see the visual level filter. Okay, this is the point clear. Okay, okay, then I'll select this visual. Okay, so this is the clustered column chart. So this is the clustered column chart, sales by segment. Okay, segment wise how much sales. For example, it is a segment is the government segment, sales is the 99, and then segment is the small business is the 45, like enterprise menu is 26 lakhs, and then channel wise, like it is a how much, 0.3, and the mid march like is a 0.2. So like that, so segment wise how much sales. So if you want to uh, filter the data in particular visual, then go to the visual. So this is the visual. So then if you move the any product into this particular visual, add the visual, then if you want to see the only umbrella, okay, then this is only the umbrella. Okay, here only the umbrella values only we will filter. So if you want to the correct area, then it will the correct area. Then you will see the visuals are changed, data label are changed, numbering. So then you will remove this one, then as usual, then it will showing. Okay, so if you VTT product only, then it will see the only ETT product, the sales. So these, like, then we will filter the visual level filter. We will do the visual level filter. Okay, so then you remove this one. Okay, so now whenever you remove this, then it gone. This is about the visual level filter. For example, if you select this slicer, and then we will remove this one, anything, then if you move this product to this filter, so then you select the umbrella only. We are showing this umbrella only. So when you select this one and correct era, then we the only the correct era. If you remove this, select all, then you will show the select. So only if you untick the VTT, then it will go on the VVT. Okay, like that it will work. And next one is the page level filter. Okay, now as of now, that we have seen the visual level filter. So when you click on the visual, then only it will show. Then if you click on the outside, then only show the page on this page. Okay. Okay. Then what is the page level filter? The page level filter, if you apply the visual in this page. So for example, if we have how many visuals is there? So 3 visuals is there. Okay. So now if you add some one more visual, then you will add the page level tree map visual. Then I will select the tree map visual. Okay. So in this tree map visual, count country sales product. Okay. Country sales, country by product. Okay. Okay. So in which state having the which sales with the product wise. Okay. This is the United Country. The product is BBT. Sales is how much? So 54 lakhs. So like that, this is the Canada. In the Canada, PCO, BBT, and umbrella, something is there. In each country having how much product, how much sales had happened. Okay. Like that. This is the one more visual. Okay. So this is the how many visuals we have now. So these are the 4 visuals in the page. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1 slicer. So if you want to apply the visual in this page, then it will automatically so change the values. So okay, then I will move the product. So this is the filter on this page. Okay. When you select the umbrella, only the umbrella it will filter. Okay, then I'll select the umbrella. You will see this is the slicer only umbrella. So this is the only umbrella. Okay, this is only showing the umbrella. Okay, and here it will only the umbrella. There is no sales in umbrella. That's why there is no sales showing. Okay, so like that. For example, if you Volvo and VTT. Okay, then you select the Volvo and VTT. Yeah, you select the some other Volvo, then it will filter the all the visuals. So at the same time, then it will show the all the visuals. Okay. So like that, then it will work on the all page level filter. So here, then we have the basic filter and advanced filter is there only. So as we discussed in the visual level filter, top end function also there. Okay. For example, we will see we remove this one and then we select this one only single visual and then move into the product. So I will see the top end function. Then how it will work the top end function. For example, if I want to see top 5 products, so okay, the top 5 products by which one sales. So if you want to add the sales, then you will apply button, then only it will work. So these are the top 5 products. So first product is the this one, the sales, the government is the segment. Okay, so this one is the small business, this one is the enterprises, this one is the Montana. So this is the top 5 products. Okay, by sales. Okay, so here also you will see this particular visual, then you will move it to the product in this visual. Okay, and then you will select the top end function and then you will select the top 3. So here only it will show by which one sales. To apply only the top 3 parts you will showing. In United States, there is no first one is the PCO, second one is the VTD, third one is the Volvo. In the second country, France country, first one is the PCO, second one is the like Volvo, third one is the VTD. In the same Mexico, PCO first product, second product is the VTD, third product is the Volvo. So like that, only top three products by sales. So by which one it will by value the sales it will show the only top 3 products. Okay, like that it top end. So top end. So top and bottom also. For example, if you select the bottom, then it will show the top three from bottom side. Okay. So earlier we is in the first one is the United States. Now it is the France. So from the list it will show. Okay. So like that it will work. Okay. Then you'll remove. Okay. Then I will remove this one also. Okay. So as of now, then we have seen the visual level filter and top end function and the text. Okay. Basic, advanced and filtering. Okay. So when we, a lot of functions easy to understand the before the DAX. Okay. So coming to the second page level filter. So in the page level filter, then it particular page it will work. So if you apply this filter in this page only, it not should work in the this page. Okay, this page also should not work. Only whenever you select a particular page and you will you will drag the product or some of the field into this page level filter, then it will work on this page only. Okay, so now going to the all page level filter. So what is mean by all page level? So to filter apply all pages. So if you apply this and then it will apply the all pages. So how it will work, then we will see. Okay, then I will select the product into the all page level filter. Okay, so then if you select the only umbrella, so it will filter the umbrella here, and when you open the second page here only the select the only umbrella. Okay, you will see here umbrella product, here umbrella, and here only umbrella, and here only umbrella. Then go to this page. Okay, this page also you will see here the filter panel will come this page also. Earlier there is no filter panel here, and it should be work for all. Here only the see the only umbrella. Here umbrella in the France, Germany umbrella, Canada in the umbrella product only. All the states only umbrella it will showing. So because of it filtered. Okay, then go to this page. This page also same thing. Okay, this is for only umbrella table chart. Here also then it will show the only umbrella. Here also only umbrella. So in the every country umbrella. Okay, so like that it will work. Okay, so then you select all, then it will show the all product. For example, if you show this one, so like that it will work. Okay, so here the only the advanced filtering and the basic filtering is there. So in advanced filtering, like it's contain, for example, it contains, so contains a, for example, a, apply. Okay, a nothing but is the umbrella. So wherever the product name A, so umbrella A, in the Catena A, so Montana A, Patio A. So these products will come. So it will filter this product either wherever you will see, you will take. Okay. Okay. So this is the advanced filtering. So only the visual level filter is top end function is available. In the page level filter or all page level filter or some other filter, there is no top end function. Okay, this is you remember. Yeah. So next one is drill through filter. So drill through filter we have discussed. If you want to drill through filter, then we want to two types of pages. First one is summary page. Okay, and the next one is the detailed page you want. So then we will create the one detailed page. Okay, so this is a detailed page. Because of it will navigate some summary page to detail page. Okay, this is the detail page. So then I will create the some one matrix visual here. So then in matrix visual is, so what are the one country by sales? Okay, country by sales. Then we will go to the general and effects, and then just we will on the background this one. Okay, yes, yeah. So second one is same another matrix visual, and then here product wise sales. So product wise sales. Okay, yeah. Next matrix is matrix visual and a segment by sales. Okay, segment by segment by sales. Okay, yeah. Next to matrix visual is so date by sales. So in which year how much sales, in the which year, in the which quarter is the how much sales, then it will like that it will show. in which year, in which quarter, then it will show like that. Okay, in the year wise, this is the year. Next one. So then these are the for matrix. Matrix. Okay, then I'll. Okay, whenever you want to say same side, then you will select all and then go to the formats and alignment. Then you will select the alignment. Then it will align the in the same. Okay, so then I'll select the another one table. So then I will select the one table. So like that, the sales by month name. Okay, so month name by sales. So in the which month, how much sales happened. Okay, so then again I will formalities and then I select the another table. So like it sales by year. Okay, so year by sales. So here are the same date by sales. In the dates, having the only year by sales, how much. Yeah, so this is the detailed page. Okay, yeah, this is a detailed page. Okay, so then if you want, so this is a detailed page. This is the like your page. Okay, so here the country is there, here the something countries is there, here also countries is there. Okay, then in the detailed page, so then you will, we have the drill through option is there. So then you will move the country here. Okay, so you will see before that there is in the page number 1, whenever we mouse over, there is only the showing Canada and sales. Here also mouse over, then country sales product, there is no drill through here. So here also there is no drill through. Okay, then you will, whenever in the detailed page, then you will apply the country here in the drill through. Okay, then you go to the page 1, you will mouse over, then it will show the right click to the drill through. Okay, you observe difference before that and now. Here also then you right click and that the country, here also country is there. Here the country is not here, then that's the reason you are not showing the drill through. Okay, for example, so what is this mean by? So whenever you click on the right click, then it's the drill through you are showing. So whenever you click on the drill through, it will navigate to the, for example, in this page, for example, this is the how much sales. So 1 crore 67 lakhs 89,410. So this is 1 lakh 50,000. How it will come? So for example, by segment wise, how much, by country wise, by date wise, how will come? Then we will show it a detailed one. Okay, this is that is nothing but drill through. Okay, then click on the drill through page. So it will come the, so that is 1 lakh 1 crore 67 lakhs 89,000. So this is only Canada country. So how, which country we are showing this one now? So this is the Canada country. Okay, so the country wise sales, then it is this one. But in the country, which product they sold by this much of amount will get. So in the Canada country, umbrella this much of sales, Quarantena this much of sales, Montana this much of sales, and Pisho this much of sales, then you will get the total sale amount. And the which segment wise, so channel wise partner this one, and the enterprise by this much amount, and the government by this much amount, and mid market by this much amount, and small business by this much. So these segment wise, then you'll get the same amount. But in the year, so each which year, then how much sales had happened when getting this much amount. Okay, and in the which month itself, this is the year wise sales, this is the which month in the 2013, then in which month how much sales by getting this much of amount. So this is also same like that. In the month wise, then year wise, then month wise how much, this is same like that, this one. Okay, okay, so for example, this one, when you go to the Mexico and go to the right click and drill through and detail page. So this is how much, then again it will change. So in the Mexico country, the sales is 76 lakh. The product wise, the PCO is only sold by the 76 lakh. Segment wise, how much sales should happen. Like that, this will show, it will detailed. So one page is navigate to the detailed page, it will show the details of the detailed page. This is called as a drill through. Okay. So if you apply the, yeah, if you drill through, you want to 2 pages like summary page and detail page. So we have created. So we must prepare the detail page with while field if you want a drill through. Okay. In moving to the drill through filter. So then I have moved in this filter. So then we achieve this one. So when you click on the right click, then it will show the navigate to the detailed page. This is called as a like drill through. Okay. Yeah. So this is about drill through. So we have discussed as of now. Then first is the visual level filter. Second is the page level filter. Okay. Third is the all page level filter, the report level filter, and drill through filter. So these are the high level explanation of the filters. Okay. Whenever the interviewer asks, then just you remember these things. Okay. Okay. So then now we will discuss about the slicers. Okay. So then coming to the slicer. So slicer is the user perspective. The slicer is available in visualization only. Okay, because of this is the one of the visual. Okay, this is the one of the visual. Slicer is a visual. Okay, this is the visual. Okay, filter is a inbuilt option. Slicer is a one of the visual. Okay, this is the user perspective. For example, user wants to slice this one the data easily. Then just you will go and select the Canada. Then it will reflect the Canada only. This is the PCO Canada. Carollo Canada, Umbrella Canada, this Canada project only. So this is only for PCO for Canada. Okay, if you select the France, then it will France, it will giving the result. Okay, this is like that. Okay, then whenever in the slicer, okay, slicer is the like one, but it will act the different types of data types. So if it is a text one, here only the list and drop down. So this is the text slicer. Okay, whenever I move the country, the text slicer, here you will see. Then I will the focus mode. Then you will see the whenever you go to the drop down, the only list and drop down. So what is the list? So if you select this one list, all the list whatever countries we have, it will shown. For example, if you select the drop down, then it will show only the all. Whenever you click on this button, then it will show the what you country you select. So otherwise it will gone. So it is like real estate, the occupy the real estate and the reduce the real estate. So space, for example, most of the developers use the this all option. So this is the drop down only. So because of then it will not occupy some many space. For example, if you select the list one, then it will drag this one. That because of this, there are only 5 countries. For if you want 100 countries, then this page not sufficient. So that is the reason. Then you will select the drop down and then you will do the real estate. Okay, then it will do not occupy the space. Okay, this is about the text splicer. Okay, so the second one is the here some hierarchical nothing but then whenever, for example, here what is this one product is their country, then you move into the product. So then here you will see whenever in the list, this is the hierarchy. Then you go in the drop down, then you select this one Canada. In the Canada products, because of then we are moving to the 2 fields into the one single section. So that is the reason. Then this is the Canada and France having the remaining product how many, and then Canada having the how many products. Okay, and then Germany having the how many products. Like that it will work. Okay, so this is the hierarchical. This is the user defined hierarchical. So if it is a system defined hierarchical, that is whenever you move into the date, so it will automatically create the hierarchical. Because of this date is automatical system defined hierarchy. So day to year wise and quarter wise and month wise and the day wise. So it is system defined hierarchy. So we have the 2 types of hierarchies there. First is the system defined hierarchy, that is date. Whenever we move into the date field into that particular field, then it will create the automatically system defined hierarchical. Okay, and then whenever the user defined hierarchical, then you move into the both more than one field into the section, then it will automatically it will create the hierarchical. So this is about the hierarchical. Second one is the data type is number. Okay, so data type is number. So this is the number one. So which one? Sales, I moved into this one. So in the sales, when I move into the sales, this one, then here you will show the list and drop down is same for text slicer and then number slicer. Here extra showing the between and less than, equal or greater than equal. So what is the less than, greater than? For example, sales amount for example 1665. So 1665 less than or 1159,200 greater than. So how much sales we have? For example, above 5,000 or below 5,000 sale amount, then how many sales amount which happen? Or in between, for example 1,000 to 4,000. So how much sales had happened? So like that we will select the this one. So for example, it will ask the between. So in the between nothing but in the between something 3 lakh to 9 lakh thousand. So product sold. So PSO sale this much amount, umbrella this much amount, from between these. Okay, like this will use. So this is about the number slicer. In the number slicer, it is the list and drop down and between and less than or equal. So whenever the interview will ask, so slicer is one, it will act depend upon the data type. So if it is a data type is a text, then it will list and drop down. If it is a data type is number, the list and drop down is the common for this, and then between less than or equal or greater than or equal, we have the many options we have in the number slicer. So this is the high level explanation of the data type number. Okay, this is a number slicer. Okay. Okay. So I'm not going to explain about this like formals, because of we have only the multi-selection with all or show select will all should be there in. These are the two options there in the visual format. So that's why I did not able to explain much more. So because of I concentrated the theory of the important theory. So then once you have done this one, then easily understand how to do this the formats. Okay, so this is about the number slicer. And coming to the date slicer, in the date slicer we have the another two more options we have. Like one is the relative date, another one is the relative time. So what is mean by relative date, relative date, time? So remaining are like between and before, after, list drop down are the common for this one also. And relative date, relative time. So what is mean by relative date? So relative date is, if for example last next to this year, so last 8 years data or last 8 months data, last 8 weeks data. For example, interview logs was I want to the last 7 days data without writing the DAX functions. How can you achieve this one? Yeah, simply then you select one slicer. It is a date slicer. Okay, in the date slicer, then you will okay, then we will select the slicer and the date slicer. Then after that, then you will take the relative date, and then you have to select the last 1 week, then you will get the last 1 week data. So this is the high level explanation of this relative date. Okay, for example, if you want to see the last 5 hours, last 8 hours data, then you will go to the relative time, then you will select the relative time. Okay, so this is about the date slicer. Okay. Yeah, and already we have explained the difference between the filters and slicers in the last video. Okay, then if you do not watch my last video, then please I'm highly recommended to watch the filters and slicers practical video. Then you understand my very better. Okay, thank you very much, friends.